Protein is a cornerstone of nutrition for active adults, playing a vital role in supporting endurance, energy, recovery, and long-term muscle maintenance. Engaging in regular physical activity, whether it is cardiovascular exercise, resistance training, sports, or even physically demanding work, places higher demands on muscles, connective tissue, and metabolic processes. Protein provides the essential amino acids necessary for repairing microtears in muscles, replenishing enzymes, and supporting neurotransmitters that influence energy, focus, and fatigue resistance. For active individuals, distributing protein across meals and pairing it with complex carbohydrates and healthy fats enhances performance, recovery, and overall vitality. Focusing solely on protein supplementation or high-protein mega meals without balance can miss the opportunity to optimize energy, nutrient absorption, and sustain performance. High-quality protein sources for active lifestyles include both animal and plant-based options that supply complete amino acids and other complementary nutrients. Eggs provide complete protein, B vitamins, and choline, supporting energy metabolism and cognitive focus during prolonged activity. Chicken offers lean, easily digestible protein that supports muscle repair without excessive saturated fat. Salmon delivers complete protein along with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce exercise-induced inflammation, support cardiovascular health, and enhance joint function. Plant-based options such as tofu, lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa offer protein along with fiber, iron, magnesium, and phytonutrients, supporting energy production, endurance, and digestive health. By rotating these protein sources throughout the day, active adults can optimize nutrient diversity, maintain amino acid availability for muscle recovery, and reduce the monotony of repetitive meal patterns. Practical implementation for active lifestyles involves pairing protein with complex carbohydrates, fiber, and healthy fats to sustain energy and enhance recovery. For breakfast, a scrambled egg and vegetable bowl with a side of quinoa provides complete protein, fiber, and micronutrients that help maintain energy levels and cognitive focus throughout morning training or work. Lunch could include a grilled salmon quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables, avocado, and seeds, offering a combination of protein, omega-3 fats, fiber, and antioxidants that support muscle recovery and reduce post-exercise inflammation. Mid-afternoon snacks such as Greek yogurt with berries and hemp seeds or roasted chickpeas deliver moderate protein, fiber, and micronutrients to sustain energy for evening workouts or physical activity. Dinner options such as a tofu stir-fry with brown rice, bell peppers, and broccoli provide plant-based protein alongside complex carbohydrates and antioxidants, facilitating overnight recovery, glycogen replenishment, and muscle repair. For post-workout nutrition, pairing protein with easily digestible carbohydrates, such as a lentil salad with feta and cherry tomatoes served with whole grain bread, ensures amino acids are available for muscle synthesis while restoring energy stores. While protein is critical for active adults, caution is necessary to maintain balance. Excessive protein intake, especially without sufficient carbohydrates or fats, can overburden the kidneys, reduce energy availability for prolonged exercise, and increase the risk of nutrient imbalances. Highly processed protein supplements or bars may provide protein but often lack fiber, antioxidants, and essential micronutrients, limiting their overall health benefits. For plant-based proteins, it is important to combine sources, such as legumes with grains or tofu with seeds, to ensure complete amino acid intake. Individual protein needs vary depending on activity type, intensity, age, and body composition. Endurance athletes may benefit from 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, while strength or resistance trainers may require 1.6 to 2.0 grams per kilogram, ideally spread across multiple meals to maximize muscle protein synthesis. Pairing protein with vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats improves digestion, nutrient absorption, and satiety while preventing over-reliance on protein alone. The positive impact of strategically timed and balanced protein intake in active adults is significant. Protein supports the repair and growth of lean muscle, optimizes recovery, and helps reduce exercise-induced fatigue and soreness. Combining protein with omega-3 rich foods such as salmon or seeds reduces inflammation and supports cardiovascular endurance. Plant-based protein sources contribute fiber, antioxidants, and micronutrients, enhancing gut health, reducing oxidative stress, and improving long-term metabolic and immune function. Distributing protein across meals and snacks sustains energy, supports cognitive performance during training, and reinforces healthy appetite regulation, which can prevent overeating or underfueling around exercise. Rotating between animal and plant protein sources also ensures nutrient diversity, prevents dietary monotony, and encourages adherence to a balanced, health-promoting eating pattern. Practical strategies for active adults include meal prep and planning to ensure consistent protein intake without overloading any one meal. Pre-cooked grains like quinoa, farro, or brown rice can be paired with grilled chicken, salmon, or tofu throughout the week. Batch-prepared lentil or chickpea salads with vegetables, seeds, and healthy fats serve as ready-to-go lunches or post-training meals. Snacks such as Greek yogurt with berries, roasted chickpeas, or a small portion of nuts provide protein and micronutrients for energy between workouts. Timing protein intake around exercise, consuming moderate amounts before and after training, supports performance, repair, and recovery. Hydration, adequate sleep, and inclusion of fruits and vegetables further enhance nutrient utilization, digestive health, and long-term resilience. Ultimately, protein for active lifestyles is about more than simply hitting daily numbers. It is about strategic distribution, variety, and pairing with complementary nutrients to support energy, recovery, and long-term health. Meals such as quinoa bowls with grilled salmon and roasted vegetables, lentil and feta salads with whole grains, tofu stir-fries with brown rice and vegetables, scrambled eggs with vegetables and quinoa, or Greek yogurt with berries and hemp seeds illustrate how protein can be integrated thoughtfully into an active lifestyle. By emphasizing balance, moderation, nutrient diversity, and practical meal planning, active adults can optimize endurance, strength, muscle repair, cognitive performance, and metabolic health while enjoying satisfying, flavorful, and sustainable meals that support their daily activity and long-term vitality.